Got my 96 Civic in here. It's nice and cold. I've had a leak in my trunk forever and I couldn't figure it out. I got a little water in here. I've been looking all over and I finally figured it out because it thawed out and snow melted and then it froze back up. Alright, I took the seal off and I actually washed it really good because it was all cruddy and there's crust everywhere, and I cleaned everything off. It's all leaking on this side. Some people say the taillight leaks too, but the seal on it looked really good. I took it off and put it on. It looked fine. I did find the leak though. There's seams right here that are sealed. There's a seam here and a seam here. And if I'm going to put a little soapy water on this seal right here. And I can go under here. And there's the seal right there. There's the seam right there. If I blow on this with a little bit of air. There it is. That's my leak going into my trunk. I'm going to go backwards just for kicks. That's a huge leak. I'm going to go get some liquid nails for this. You should use Body Shop seam sealer, but yeah, I'm not going to spend 20 bucks on a tube of seam sealer, so I'm just going to go to the hardware store and get some liquid nails. I've used it before on other stuff. It works good. Leaking up here too. I'm on the driver's side. I've never seen it leak on this side. I've never noticed it leaking on this side, but I can hose this down with soapy water and find a good place to put my air gun. It's leaking up here too. Not cool. Here's the stuff I got. It's about $7 a tube. This is pretty good stuff. It bonds to all this stuff, so yeah, metal, glass, wood, ceramic. That's what you want, and it's really good for all weather. So if you buy the regular stuff for seams on cars, it's about 20 bucks for a tube. But this stuff works good enough. I've used it before and haven't had a problem. I cleaned up both sides. I found some more leaks in this seam on the driver's side, and then I cleaned up the passenger side, and I blew it out really good, and I just kind of picked some of this stuff off. So, yeah, and you can use this stuff when it's wet too. It says you can use it when it's wet, so I blew it off as best as I could though. Let it dry a little bit. I might hit it with a heat gun just to make sure it's really nice and dry in there, and I'm going to put some of this stuff on. I just put a really small hole in this. What I'm going to do is put it in there and just try to pack it, push it in the crack really good, and try to kind of smooth it out. That should be pretty good. And if I really wanted to, I could skim it over with another coat, but I think that's going to seal it. I'm just going to let that dry and call it good. Okay, bye.